What's up, guys? Welcome back to the videos. I've been gone for a very long time, and it's for personal reasons. I can't be uploading any videos at the moment as much as I want to, or as frequently as I would like to. But I just thought I'd give you guys a quick little update. I recently got a new bumper for my car, and I also bought the Type S front and rear lip. Shoot, it has a little scratch already. So yeah, I bought the two lips. All I'm missing is the side skirts, and it's gonna go off to paint. Probably not the whole car going to paint, so I'm probably just gonna be doing the front and rear bumpers with the lips and the side skirts. So let's see, I just finished drilling the holes out, because for this bumper you have to drill holes. So I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Let me see. Alright, so right here I had to drill a hole out for this little clip to come through. Also had to drill one here as well, and the last one is on this side. So I had to make those 4 holes so the lip can attach to the bumper. Now I believe I only have to drill another hole right here and another hole over here to secure it even better. And the lip itself has some brackets right there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Oh, sorry, it might have gone upside down. I've done that so far for now. I guess it's just wait until I paint it and wait until I can have a friend of mine help me put it on. I can't put it on myself. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I still have to keep working on the trunk setup as well. I also have to finish my trunk a little bit. I'm not going for a trunk setup right now. I'm just trying to do it so I can have some space in there. Since the car still is my daily driver, I don't have another daily driver, so I could keep this as like show or anything like that. I mean, as I keep doing little things here and there to the car, I'll give you guys some updates. Alright, so this is how it looks. The bumper's not painted. The lip is painted, but it has to get resprayed. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with the 3rd generation Acura TL pages on Facebook. I got the lip from Benny Vasquez. Good price. Good price, quick delivery. He came out and brought it to me, which was great because we're not that far away. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna keep you updated as we go. Probably do a video taking this to the paint shop, getting it back, putting it on, and just wait for more content.
Ain't no one gonna take me seriously anymore, you know what I'm saying? Got some new ones, but of course I did not buy it. 10 days, 6 shows, 1 thought, great talk, Asian honey asked me, do I like it? Soaking up all these rappers just like a mom. Out and trying to with a lady and she's finer than your bitch. Well, it's my lifestyle, I really fuck with